We're decluttering your tech on this episode of Problem Solved. I'm Cody, and I'm going to show you some easy ways to give your computer and your smartphone a spring clean that really can be done any time of year. There's a lot of clutter that exists on your tech, and I have to ask you this. Does it bring you joy? Probably not. So let's clean it up. The easiest place to start is at the very beginning. So your desktop or your lock screen. Get rid of things like old screenshots, documents, or apps that you no longer use. But take a second to delete your account first. You also want to clean up the apps you are using. This can be deleting duplicate photos, getting rid of old contacts in your phone book, and even unfollowing accounts on social media. You can also find some deletable things in places like your notes or your downloads folder. Don't forget about online storage sites like Dropbox or Google Drive. They can both house a lot of files you haven't touched in a very long time. Give your files a final farewell and then empty the trash, permanently ridding them from your device. Once you're done cleaning, back up your device, run any updates it might need, and then give it the restart it deserves. Good as new-ish. With apps come passwords. My next tip will show you how to keep your password keeper clean and up to date. Do you actually know how many places on the internet you have a login? I bet you don't, and I bet that it's a lot. Oh, I haven't logged into that site in years. It's time to clean them up. The easiest place to start is by using the password manager either on your browser or your smartphone. Here is a long list of places that you have logins stored. You might find that you have more than one login for the same website, or you have accounts for sites that you haven't used in years. In those cases, delete your account. You're not using it, so why not? Once that's sorted, delete it from the list. These password keepers can also show you if your password has been compromised anywhere or if you're using the same one in multiple places. If that's the case, take a little bit of time to update your passwords. It's worth noting that updating or changing your password in a password keeper doesn't update your actual login. Doing it here will result in a lot of failed attempts logging in there. So change your password there first and then change it here. I know exactly what to use for a new password. No peeking. Passwords protect a lot of our important information. We use them to log into our devices and into specific sites, like our email, which is where we're cleaning next. It's time to clean your inbox. You don't have to get it to zero, but you can get rid of a lot of the clutter that lives in there. Think of all of the newsletters and shipping confirmations and blasts about sales that ended months ago that are taking up space in your inbox. If you have hundreds or thousands of unread emails in your inbox, diving in and deleting things might seem like a hugely overwhelming task. Bestie, I'm here to tell you it is okay to start over. Create a filter that automatically sends anything important from your old inbox to your new one. However, if cleaning your inbox seems like a manageable task, start with the search feature. You can search things like company names or keywords like sale or percent sign to easily find things that you're probably not gonna miss. If you happen to notice a lot of unread emails from the same place, it's time to unsubscribe. Once you've gone through all of your inbox, take a second to empty your junk mail. Then get rid of all of it by emptying your trash. If you have your email connected to the mail app on your phone and you've deleted something, have you ever noticed that it doesn't actually delete it from your inbox? That's because there's a setting you need to change. In your phone's mail app settings, you have to change it to go to the trash can on the server instead of the trash can on your phone. Speaking of phones, it's also a good idea to clean out your messaging inboxes on here too. Feels so much lighter already. I can do it with one hand. The inside is clean, but we can't forget about the outside. We spend a lot of time touching our tech, so we should probably spend a little more time cleaning it too. Our devices get covered in fingerprints, food, dust, and who knows what else. A handheld car vacuum like this is great for vacuuming up crumbs and dirt or blowing away some dust. By the way, it's not just your phone and your computer that you should be cleaning. You should give all of the tech and gadgets in your house a clean, like your TV, your router, your earbud case, your digital photo frame, your robot vacuum, and even your camera. Don't forget to clean the accessories either. So your keyboard, your TV remote, these kind of things. I like to keep this homemade cleaner and microfiber cloth in my desk so I can clean anytime I need to. All this is 1 part distilled water and 1 part vinegar. Just spray it onto the cloth and then wipe. Just make sure all your devices are turned off or batteries are removed. That way you're not accidentally typing, deleting, or sending something. Now, if only I could stop these from leaving fingerprints on everything.